today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your computer's control panel and effortlessly check for installed updates. This simple process can help ensure that your system is running smoothly and efficiently by allowing you to keep an eye on all the updates that have been installed. Whether you're troubleshooting a software issue or just curious about your computer's history, this tutorial has got you covered. To begin, you'll want to head over to your computer's control panel. This essentially serves as the command center for your computer's settings, and it's where many of your system's management tools are located. You can usually find the control panel by typing Control Panel into your computer's search bar, which is generally found at the bottom of your screen near the Start menu. Clicking the Control Panel link will open up a world of options for you to explore. Once you've opened the control panel, you're going to look for the Programs section. Now, if you're new to navigating the control panel, it might seem a little overwhelming at first because of the sheer number of options available there. But don't worry, just stay focused on finding Programs. Clicking on this will lead you to another area where you can manage the software installed on your machine. In the Programs section, one of your options will be View Installed Updates. It's located under the Programs and Features heading. This link is your ticket to seeing all the updates that are currently installed on your computer. By clicking this link, you effectively gain access to a detailed list of software updates, which can include important security patches and feature updates that your system has applied over time. This list of updates is often displayed in chronological order, making it easy to see the most recent changes to your system. This is particularly helpful if you're trying to identify when a specific update was applied, perhaps to troubleshoot a problem that started occurring after a certain date. Once you're in this interface, feel free to browse through the updates. It's handy to get familiar with this area as it might come in useful if you ever need to uninstall a recent update that's causing trouble or if you're trying to ensure that specific updates are indeed installed. And that's it, you're done. By following these straightforward steps, you now know how to access and read the list of installed updates on your computer. Being aware of this can help you maintain your system's reliability and keep your software environment secure. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your computer with confidence. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or get in touch. Happy computing!